In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some new spiders from SpooderNest.com. Hello, my name's Stuart Wood and welcome to this video. I have in this box some new models for the channel. They're not new as in a new species, but they are to replace some that died last year, unfortunately. When you get into keeping spiders and mantises, their lifespan is not very long, so unfortunately you have to keep replenishing your models. Okay, so what I have in here are some new jumping spiders. I got these from SpooderNest.com, link in the description if you want your own jumping spider and if you are in the UK. So we'll take a look at this now. And this is the first time I've had them delivered from SpooderNest. Normally I would go over there on the car and pick it up, but as anyone who knows me knows, I've had car trouble lately. I've not been able to do that. So in here we have, this is a heat pack. Okay, still warm, nice. And we've got very good packing. Our little chappies are in here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so she's labelled them, which is nice, SpooderNest.com. We're going to talk about these ones first. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, this is a P. Regius, so it's a Philippus Regius jumping spider. This particular one is from Florida. I don't want to disturb them too much, okay? I just want to make sure that they're alive and are indeed well enough. Okay, to me, I can't tell because they're so small, but it looks like it could possibly be a female. I can't really tell. There, that little black spot, that is actually a spider. So I'll cut in some B-roll of these spiders, but before I do, I want to explain something, that this B-roll has not been recorded at the same time as unboxing them. I'm going to unbox them. I'm then going to leave them in the containers that they came in for a couple of hours, then transfer them to a new enclosure because they've been through a hell of a journey. I mean, it's the post office. I mean, there's nothing worse than the post office apart from UPS. So we want to not disturb them too much. But that is a beautiful spider. Just for the purpose of now, I'm just going to place it back in there. Again, I'm just checking that they're all okay and they're alive. Oh, Jesus, that is a small one. Let's undo this one. In here, we have a Philippus Regius. Again, they're all Philippus Regius, but this one is from the Bahamas. So there's slight variation in the colours. This one's a lot smaller than the other one. And you can't tell if it's male or female because it needs to molt a little bit first. It needs to grow up a little bit. And then finally, we have another P. Regius from Florida. But this one is not a baby. Come over here with this one. Because this one's going to be big enough for you to see on this camera. This one is an adult male Philippus Regius from Florida. You can see him here. In fact, he's just come out. He's just come out, look. They are so acquisitive, these spiders are. They are absolutely awesome. But again, they've been through the post, they've been through a lot, so they need to calm down a little bit. Now, I am going to put this guy back into this little tub here. Okay. That is only for a few minutes while I get him bigger enclosure set up, okay? Those are my new spiders. And the little ones, we can't really ID if they're male or female. I suspect the one is a female. I'm going to let it molt again before we can ID that one. So we're not going to photograph them in this video. We'll do that in the next video. We're going to take the babies and the adult, and I'm going to show you how to adapt your setup depending on the size of your subject. Because obviously, the male is a lot easier to photograph. He's bigger. But the babies, they are hard and they are fast to photograph. So that will be a nice practical video to show how to adapt your setup depending on the size of your subject. That's it for this video. A very quick unboxing video there of 3 new spiders for the channel. I want to thank Maria for sending these over to me. Her website is SpooderNest.com. Link in the description below. She has some spiders right now as of the date of filming this episode. So head on over there if you are in the UK and you do want to get a jumping spider for your macro photography. That's it for this video. My name's Stuart Wood. Thank you for getting to the end of this video. And again, as always, I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to cut in some B-roll over the top of it. But before I do, I've just dropped my microphone. Well, my phone. He's actually looking at me. They're cute.